just vlog.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging? Hi vlog. Look at the water.
There's a bridge.
But I like meat.
Yeah.
Guys. Staring at us. What if it tells us bear friends? What if it tells us bear friends? There's so many. They're not gonna attack us.
Wait, why is there so many?
They don't attack, right?
No. Yeah.
Out in the wild, we see a Josh.
Stop.
Your turn. You should flip the camera. Hi, vlog. Ew, my forehead's not that angle. I don't like that angle.
Fine. Okay, ready?
Vlog.
Yeah.
We are walking. Oh wait, look. I don't think we can cross that. There's a gate.
Yeah, we'll be good.
Is it filming? Okay. Can they see it? Yeah, guys, we're gonna come back here after how many years? 5? How many years?
I don't. Are we 5?
No, you can just come back to hike.
Okay.
How many years? 2? 3? 5?
3.
3 years. We're gonna come back and see if it's still there. If this bench is still here. Can you come here? He doesn't wanna come to you. Mr. Deer. What do we do now? Do we just wait? I feel like it's gonna go in. What if it...
You think?
Because Japanese deers are polite, right? They bow. Try bowing. Babes. Yeah. Don't be too shaky. Your hands are so shaky. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. A little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. So that was the end of the hiking, guys. He's so annoying. ANNOYING.
Someone got mad.
Yeah, because someone... I can't say it because I'm gonna post this. But someone was annoying.